Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can flip or reflect videos, mirror them if you, for instance, video something upside down and whatnot. So I'm just going to give you a quick example. So I'm actually just going to, flip them first. So I'll just take a photo example first actually. So for instance, you take a photo or a selfie and the words on your shirt is backwards because obviously selfie kind of mirrors your mirrors the photo, sorry. To flip it, just go to CapCut, or on your phone works too. You're just going to select mirror. But what if it's upside down? You're just going to select the rotate button to rotate it. So for instance, you rotated it and it's still this way. You're just going to flip it and just adjust it using the rotation as well as the flip feature. Now that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.